Hello everyone, let's talk about the ultimate ride-on toy that's about to take your little one's playtime to the next level. Introducing the amazing four-wheel riding toy car, perfect for both indoor and outdoor adventures. Imagine this, your child zooming around the living room or racing through the backyard, all while having the blast and learning to walk. This ride-on car is designed with little explorers in mind, measuring a perfect 51 by 24 by 34 centimeters, just the right size of your tiny hands and feet to maneuver. What's the super cool about this toy? It's not just a fun ride, it's also a fantastic tool for helping your little ones develop their walking skills. As they push and scoot, they're building strength and confidence, all while giggling with joy. And guess what? This ride-on car is unisex, making a perfect gift for any child. Whether they're zooming around the house or cruising in the park, it's all about fun exploration and a little bit of adventure. If you're looking for a way to keep your kiddos entertained and active, this four-wheel riding toy car is a must-have. Trust me, you'll love watching them grow and play, and they'll love every moment of it. Ready to rev up the fun? Let's get those little engines running.